Hello, YouTube partners, trader viewers, subs, channels. Today, man, sad day in the markets. Mr. Wayne over here, smiling up a storm. Man up a couple bucks on the day. But as you guys can see, check the left-hand side. Down $162.81. Yeah! Dang! 1 second, guys. All right. Man, rough day for me, man. Tried to execute on 2 contracts and just got blown out of the water. But hey, I think I liked it. I thoroughly enjoyed it. I thoroughly enjoyed getting blown out today. Unfortunately, how it seems. It was fun. It was a fun day. 162, was down 175. Was down 90 by lunch after making it back, and then, man, just could not doofy it. So let me see. No homo on that blowout shit too. But here we go. 15 minute time frame. Let me go back to my orders right quick. Show all my orders. So I got in, saw this move up this morning. Was moving up to about that 40.14, so I knew there was some sort of liquidity over there. Had this drawback down to 40.02. Ended up selling over that 40.14 entry right here. Was up about $25 on 2 contracts. And then started moving up even higher. Looking at the higher time frame, confluence, there's liquidity over this high, liquidity over this high, liquidity over this high right here. So ended up being stopped out and ended up completely just destroying this buy side right here. Went over that 40.23 area and continue to sell off throughout the whole entire day. So buy side has been breached, liquidity on the upside has been breached, and then we had this huge sell off. Ended up let's narrow it down a little bit more because this next trade was really stupid. Bills and orders, show all. This next trade was really stupid. We had this pullback right here. I saw that we had breached over here. For some reason, I was looking for a pullback for us to potentially breach over that 40.28. Should have just noticed that we had purged all this liquidity over here and over this with this move. Ended up trying to take this long right here, nasty long right here, minus $58 on it. Was looking for a sell upwards of 40.28 on this, a buy and then a sell. Not in my strategy at all. Not in my strategy. The only strategy I would have played is a sell over this high or a buy under here. So stupid. Ended up stopping out on that trade, $58 and $18. So I'm down about $76 in the first 2 trades. I don't even know what this was all about. This wasn't even part of my, I don't even know what's going on with this. So minus 41 on this trade right here. I guess I was trying to see this pullback, maybe hit this area right here. Bought within this area, thinking that maybe we could see that 40.24 again. Bought within this gap. Ended up tanking on me. Stopped me out. So yeah, I think I actually added a contract right here. So never mind, guys. I ended up adding this contract. Buy 1 contract right here. So I bought two, right? I bought one, or I think I bought buy one. So maybe I bought one right here and then two right here, thinking that we could potentially come up to breach that 40.28. Ended up just stopping out altogether. Minus 90. Yeah, I had three contracts. This is where I was like blowing it out. I was like, bro, what is going on right now? Because I've been trading one contract this whole time. And the thing is, you don't go over one contract. So if I'm going to start at two contracts, why the fuck would I go over two contracts? So tried to just, yeah, I was super excited. Damn right, super excited on this contract shit that completely just abandoned the whole strategy altogether. Ended up getting duped on. I think I was down $120 something on this. First like 30 minutes of the market open, hour market, and then we started getting a little bit of the strategy working here. Saw that this was the sell side right here. Bought two contracts, took a partial right here, and I think I added, I want to say I added somewhere, but I don't think I did on that one. But ended up taking a partial right here, and then ended up taking the next partial right there. So made a whopping $23 back on that trade. And then, so purge of that sell side liquidity, buy, sell, and then quick scalp. And then I saw that we had this remaining right here, sell side. Ended up buying right here. And came down a little bit deeper than I expected, but it came down within this little gap right here on the left side of the screen. I noted this gap today. Ended up touching into there. Plus 40 on that. And then I did have an order under this right here. I had it at 86, did not get filled. It went only to 86.75. And so that would have been something. Probably made my money back on that move, but then I just continued to squander. So I was down about $96 right here. Left to go get some lunch throughout this whole move. Mr. Wayne and I, we took this move. Not in my strategy at all. Don't even know why I took this, but it was a good sell position. We took it as longs and ended up getting duped on. Minus 22.50 on that for two contracts, or one contract actually. And then I ended up buying under this low. Ended up buying under this low right here for a quick scalp, $3.75 scalp. And then we had this sell side right here from the previous low at 39.8675. I ended up buying right here. Would have been a decent scalp if I would have sold. I think I was up $30 or $40 on it. And then just continued downwards. Came a little bit deeper than I anticipated. 39.86 buy came steeper than I anticipated. Down $42 in that trade, and then ended up ripping as I got out. So done for the day, minus $162. I'd say the biggest thing that I did wrong, the biggest things, like I feel like this was a very good trade, even though I lost on it. I played my strategy over that sell, stopped out, and then it started just getting really shitty. Starting this trade. This was a good trade. This was a good trade. And then ultimately, these two were shitty trades. And then under this was a good trade. Even though it did not pan out in my favor, I stopped out, but I would have taken this all day long as well, any other day of the week. Not stopped out on this. But so yeah, I think about 50% of my trades really aren't trades that I would have taken. But gross P&L, 141.25 net after commissions, fees, paying $21.56, coming out to a total loss today of $162.81. So learned a lot today, that's for sure. learned what not to do with 2 contracts, but I think I'm gonna try it again, manage my risk a little better. But I think I don't know. I think throughout the day I wasn't getting too emotional with my losses, but I was definitely getting. I don't know. I think I just had shitty entries. Didn't play my strategy, and every time I didn't play my strategy, I ended up losing decently big. So stupid on my part. I don't think it has anything to do with the 2 contracts, but we did play 2 contracts. It did heighten my loss, and so 2 contracts right now is pretty bad on my part. So, but $162, what would that come out to? I think I lost a total of, how many handles would that be? About 15 handles of loss. 12 to 15 handles. I started today at $620. So I'm down in my equity at $459. So yeah, about 20% of my account gone. And pretty much due to not playing my strategy, not being disciplined, and playing a larger contract today. Usually the start of the weeks, like Monday and Tuesday, I do have like a slow start. As you guys have seen in the previous weeks, I have like slow starts on Monday and Tuesday, and then I usually come back Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So trying to push it today on 2 contracts was pretty stupid on my part, but did it. It's whatever, $162. You know, it isn't $16,000. So we'll just leave it in that perspective, and we'll come back tomorrow and we'll find something that is more probable, and we'll come back and we'll demolish tomorrow. We're gonna make it back this week. Goal is to get to 700, so if we make it there, that'd be awesome. But goal is to just manage my risk this week as well and keep running it up. So that's gonna do it for us. Mr. Wayne in the house. We're gonna wrap it up. and we're gonna see you guys tomorrow. Peace. Down on you, you made me wanna be